I'm Kyle Woody with Kraus-Anderson Construction Company, and I am the facilitator of the last planner system here at the 280 building project. We are in our big room, and it's here that all of the elements of the last planner system are implemented. We're creating an environment where people feel courageous to bring forward problems rather than nervous about it. It should feel very collaborative, and we want as much as possible to engage everybody. Lastly, but definitely not least, we want to encourage a fun environment. Pan around the room and look at all the color. Humans just process information better visually. We're looking for everybody who comes into contact with the planning to deeply understand what's happening.
You know what, it's a more formal, organized approach to the foreman being involved in scheduling the work. We still have a baseline project schedule, but what I've noticed probably most on this project is a higher level of foreman planning.
Wednesday morning, 8 o'clock, it's everybody. So you can kind of get the feel where everybody's working at.
The meetings were segregated such that it was pertinent information for us, so that it was a lot of time, but we were engaged to 80% of it. We were able to maneuver through all kinds of problems and changes.
You are getting buy-in and commitment, and you're making promises to one another so that the next trade can get up and going with their activity. The guys tune into that. You see them going down and checking off the activities that got done. That's important to them. They don't want to come in front of the group and I didn't make it.
We sat in this room and had numerous conversations about sequence and a path of construction to follow, and in that process we got to know each other. Friendships were formed, cooperation was fostered, and we all helped each other get to where we needed to go for our own benefit and for the benefit of the job.
It's more working together as a team, not just picking your path and forgetting about everybody else's work behind you.
I think the big value is in the foreman's planning. I think that it's better than I've seen on any project in 30 years I've been in it. I think the constraint board, allows them to raise questions, write it on a board that everybody can review and wants to remove that constraint. I think that's a huge benefit.
I found it very interesting, and I really think we're onto something here.
The biggest thing I enjoy in this job is the people and trying to help them. Getting to know them, help them solve their problems so they can be productive and their companies can make money, because if they win in the end, we will win in the end.